Hi guys, this is Elias from iCode Tech Solutions, where we help you amplify your skills with video. Like I promised you from our previous video, today I'm going to take you through how to run a Java application using NetBeans software. And here are the requirements for your PC. 1. You'll need to download and install a Java Development Kit, JDK. And 2. You're going to download and install NetBeans IDE software. If you don't know how to install a JDK, please watch our previous video about how to write and run a Java application in CMD, where installation of JDK was covered. Next, you're going to download and install NetBeans IDE software. Guys, installing NetBeans IDE is as normal as any other software installations, just a matter of clicking next until the software is installed. So here we have our NetBeans program, which I have already installed on this PC. So here is our NetBeans project. So what you're going to do, click File, choose New Project. You can choose Java, then click Next. Then here we have the project name. Sure, you can call it any name. I'm just going to call it test. Then make sure these things you just leave them the way they are and finish. So here we have our default program body. The program body begins from line 14 to line 20. That is our main method. Then from line 13 to line 22, that is our class definition. So you are simply going to come to our main method. That's where we're supposed to write our code. And sure, to simply print out a simple statement, we're going to use the default output device, which is the system.out, followed by function print on the console. We can use print, we can use print line, or you can use printf. I'm going to use print ln, and then I'll print a string. I'll print a string, hello world. Hello world. So as simple as that, the program is done. So you can either click this icon, or you can right click and choose run file. So this should be ready to run. As you can see, we have our output as hello world in our console. So you can again recompile to get the result, just in case you change in the code. Say for example, if I wanted to print out values, I could simply paste this statement here, then change the strings. In this case, I put values instead of strings. So I can say, for example, 2 times 100, which is 200. 2 times 100, which is 200. So if I recompile this, should give us hello world and then 200. So that is how you run your Java program in NetBeans, as simple as that. And surely the difference between the first statement and the second statement is that the first statement is printing out strings and the second statement is printing out values. You realize that in these parentheses we've included double quotes, and in these parentheses we've not put double quotes. Double quotes indicate string. Strings is simply any characters that you want to print as what you see is what you get. And then values can be evaluated into a certain value. In Java, you cannot put values into double quotes, otherwise they will be just interpreted as strings. So that's why here we didn't put double quotes. If you dare put double quotes here, you will only see 2 times 100 as the final result. That's because it will have interpreted the output as a string but not a value. Okay, so guys, the next thing that we're going to look at is how can we manipulate data about this particular class. So we need to create what we call variables that store that data, and then we can as well create functions to use to manipulate that data. So that and more we shall see in the next tutorial. Once again, thank you for watching. Please, if you are new here, hit that subscribe button to help me make more of these videos. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial. Stay tuned.